Okay, so in today's video, I got these bottle rockets. Now I just need to find something to attach them to. So let's go shopping. Okay, so we got the groupings here all devised up. So in the first group, we've got the gun shooter insect bug things. In the second group, we've got the where'd it go? We've got the elastic band flinger things. In the third group, we've got the foam gliders with the big banger things. So which one of these three groups are going to do the best? Let's get into this. This is number one. This one is the Firefly Quadruple. Oh my god, I got like 4 at once. It's not lighting. Oh my. Fail. Okay, the Firefly Quadruple was a fail. Number 2, the Bumblebee Double. Good. So let's give this guy a try. This one is the Elastic Fling Glider. Okay. Okay, so we got kicked out of Old Man Granger's field, so we're at the baseball diamond. We're gonna give this a try here. Hopefully we can finish up the video. We got a few more to go, a couple of flings and a couple of foamies, so let's get into this. Okay, this one I call the Big Bertha. Let's give her a go. Where's my lighter? I need my lighter. Well, there's my lighter. Okay. Oh baby, I'm risking my life with this one. Okay, this one's called Single Madness. Oh my. Oh baby! Oh! It's gonna go! It didn't blow up! Oh, that was the best one yet! That was the best one yet! Okay, this one's called Mini Stinger Triple Threat. I don't know how I'm gonna light all three at once. This is gonna be tough. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Go! This one I like to call the Triple Threat Dark Voyager. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh god, I can't get 3. Okay, this one I like to call the Single Stinger Mosquito. Oh no, no! No! Okay, that was totally awesome. I'm very pleased with the results. A couple of those things took off like crazy. I'm going to show you the aftermath of what's left with some of these gliders. Throw in the comments section which one you guys think did the best. Okay, here's the aftermath. This is the foamy throw gliders. This one broke into a million pieces. This one scared the crap out of me.
Peace out, thanks for watching!